Hey, welcome back to Half Homestead. We're going to do a deck rebuild for this E100 series mower. Got all the parts, so follow along. As you can see, we already took the deck off. We're going to change out the blades on the bottom, the pulleys on top. I'm going to keep this belt because I just changed it recently, and the spindles. We're going to start by flipping it over, taking the blades off first. So if you watched any of my previous videos, you know that I'm not a fan of this E160 series mower. And this is why. This was a dry mow the other day, last week. And it just clogs the deck up with massive amounts of material. Normally when I park it, I get all this stuff out, but I know I'd be tearing it apart. And I wanted to show you, even on a dry day out there when I'm mowing. It hasn't rained in 2 weeks. And here we are, still all clogged up. So we're going to start with taking off the blades. I got new blades. We're going to change the spindles out. So we're going to pull the blades off. Sucker's tight. Cheater bar or breaker bar. Alright, blades are off. Spindles come out from the top, so we're going to flip it over so we can pull the spindles off and the pulleys. We're going to use our quarter drive DEWALT with the adapter on it to take this stuff apart here. That's what that's another side. So we're going to take the spindle pulleys off, which I'm sure is going to be tons of fun, and then we'll pull the spindles out, pull all these other pulleys out, pull everything apart. Set this aside. Take a picture of this before you start any of this, that way you know how to always go back together. Just as a little advice, because I've been there. So what I'm using here is an adapter to 20 volts. I don't have any 12 volts batteries. $15mm for all the small pulleys. It really makes quick work. The kit I have has every pulley's brand new, so I'm just going to set all this stuff aside. Basically replacing it all. These are probably close to the same size. Looks like a 20 24. Let's see if the 23 fits better. Yep. So blade's 24, this is 23. Notice you're just going to want to spin. So we're going to take a pry bar. We're going to have it hit one of these screws. Maybe. As you can see, I had to bust the big guns out to get these nuts off. Impact incredibly quick. Now we're going to pull out the spindles. Replacement spindles come with all new hardware, so you don't need any of the old stuff. So I guess I could have left the blades on there, but I wanted to reuse them. So you put these bolts in your lawnmower just in case kit, just in case you lose something. I don't know if it'll, the bolts are different size too. Instead of being 10 millimeter, they went to a 13 millimeter. Yes. Start every one of them before we go crazy with our impact. That's simple. Rinse and repeat. Keep those spindles in case you got one that's going bad, you got a replacement, whichever one's best for all of them. New pulleys. Recess goes to the top. I've got one thread sticking up, so we should be good. Big pulley. Little pulleys. Again, they came with all new hardware. Don't forget to run your belt. If we can remember how to do this. I've had to Google this a couple times. And that is your connection point, like that. Perfect. I don't think this really matters which way it goes. Last thing we have to put in is this belt guide here. And the shrouds. blades on. One thing they don't give you in this kit is the spacers. So make sure you save those from your old blades. And all my blades are on that way. So we're going to make sure they go all the same. These ones may not require those massive spacers. So I'm going to save these spacers in case the blade flies off. And we're going to use the impact to put this on. Faster. That's a deck rebuild. I'll put it on and get to work. Get out there and get mowing. Remember, these mowers are horrible, clogging up. So if you buy one of these, don't. Think about buying one of these, don't. Go with something different. This Sparta, get a zero turn. And here's a photo of most of the tooling I used in that deck rebuild. I even replaced the pins on it when I put it back on. Get a set of these on Amazon for the front. These fit everything else. DEWALT Ratchet. The converter to 20 from 20 to 12 volts, 20 volt batteries, all the sockets, etc., etc. And the big guns, how to plug the big guns here. Thanks for watching. Look at the description below for all the tooling and stuff I use. Comment, subscribe. Out for now.